In this video, I will show you how to connect Office 365 Calendar to Bitrix24. First, log into your Bitrix24 account. You will then see your dashboard. On the left side of your screen, find in the menu the Collaborations button. A drop-down menu will then show. Click on Calendar. You will be redirected to your calendar board. On the top right of the calendar, click on the Synchronize button. A pop-up will appear with three options: Google Calendar, iCloud Calendar, and Office 365 Calendar. Click on the Connect button for Office 365 Calendar. A pop-up will appear asking for your login email where your Office 365 calendar is synced. Accept the permissions. It will automatically sync your Office 365 calendar, and you will see that it has been successfully connected to your Bitrix24 account. And that's how to connect Office 365 calendar to Bitrix24.